Today we are at a leadership conference for KETIV, and we went over a lot of topics focusing on the future of making things.
Our company is committed to helping engineers be successful, drive efficiency with the products they use, and the tools they use to engineer and create great products.
What we're talking about is the disruptions and the trends that are impacting design and manufacturers as they create their products. We see it really boiling down to competitive separation.
We also are committed to create a platform for business executives, business leaders, business owners, so we can together understand the trends ahead, embrace the trends, turn them into opportunities, and together become best-in-class companies.
I would love to come back to another event like this and see how it's progressing. I understand this is the first. I think there'll be many more. It'll be good to come back and see that it's going to take us.